it's Appear back from my channel. Today's topic is on how to use Microsoft Publisher. Now, if you've seen Word, let me actually show you Word and let's see the difference. As we see here in Word, you might say that that's a pretty great thing because you can place in pictures, images, and then done. But what's bad about Word is that if you place a MP4 file, you can't drag it, meaning that you can't drag it in the photo. You can't even move an MP4 file. Well, if you're sad about this, don't worry. Go to Publisher. Publisher is a thing in Windows 10, and if you have Windows 11, it exists. You just write Publisher and done. But the important thing is that now, if we add an image from one of my previous videos, you'll see that if I stretch it up, okay, so, and now I want to add an MP4 file. I just simply drag an MP4 file, and what's great is I can move my MP4 file. I can make it bigger, or I can, but if I double click it, it would give me a warning, which is important because if you're opening a suspicious Word document, you have to be careful because sometimes they can place it on a black background and its logo might be like this. However, it can be a shortcut file that can execute a virus. So if they place it in a black background and then you see that's a video file, don't click on it. Just simply edit it and then drag it down, and as we see, this is an MP4 file, so that's legit. But what about these kinds of files? Like, for example, let's create a new text document that is called simply B, and we need to go, of course, to this PC and the view for extensions. And as we see, here is a text file. So what we're doing is that we're just changing it to a VB script file. Actually, this is a .file file, so let's just create a simple even text document. Yeah, it's a simple text document. And now we just remove file extensions because we don't need to. We know that this text document. But let's see that a hacker tried to change the logo to a text document, but in reality that's a VB script. Like, let's place it right here. Let's copy it and place it right here. And okay, so if the hacker shrinks it, it will say click anywhere on it until you find this file, or simply saying click this file. Now they might place it in black background so you can't see exactly what is the file extension, and this is the problem with safety, so you have to drag it on. Remember that for security. But the good thing about Publisher is that it's free and you can just do anything, but the security is of course still low. And yeah, but if that's a text document, you'll see that it doesn't bring a warning because text documents can't do anything. But MP4 files, yes, they can have commands inside them that do things. That's a very complicated thing that we can talk about it on its own. But what's good about Publisher is that it warns you, or you can just simply drag it down into another background, like another page, create another page simply. And then after that, just place the picture inside it, and then add this file there until you can see basically what is that file. So security is, not at that great level, but still that's good because it warns you. But with text documents, no. There's no problem with text documents. And that if you see a text document, don't worry. Because text document, not a document, text document is not dangerous at all. And what's good about Publisher is that it's free and you can do anything with it. Hope you guys learned something today, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.